We got the Black Friday 2024 holiday season. These are the Flex buy one get one free deals currently available at theloves.com. I don't know if they are actually at the stores because I haven't seen them at the stores, but let us know in the comment section if you guys seen them at the stores. But this is currently the deal they have on now. So pretty much this is the tool, and then you're gonna get a free starter kit. So this is the 6 amp hour battery. I'll show you guys what the tools are. Also, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And I will leave the links down below on the description section of this video and on the video on the bottom left hand corner video. That's affiliate links. If you guys click on it, it does help out the channel a little bit. No extra cost to you. So affiliate links, leave them on the description section of the video. All right, so we got the Flex Stack Lithium. This is $199. You buy this for $199 and get the free starter kit. This is a 2.5 amp hour battery and a battery starter kit. You add it to the cart. All right, next one down, we got the reciprocating saw. So this is the Flex Volt 1 amp variable speed cordless reciprocating saw charger, not included, so bare tool. Next one down is the 1/2 inch impact wrench. This is the variable speed impact wrench. I believe this is the high torque. Is it the high torque? Let's see here. Specifications. Let's see if we have any type impacts per minute. No load speed. 5-year warranty. Does not say. It looks like the mid torque. It looks like the new mid torque. That's crazy. Compare. Yeah, I think it's gonna be the mid torque. It's not gonna be the high torque. Still pretty good deal for $199. These are really powerful. I believe that's the newer one. You got the radio there at $129. Wow, that's a really, really good deal, guys. Killer deal on this one. You buy this radio and get this for $129. This bundle. That's a really good deal. $149 as well as this one for the oscillating tool. You get that free starter kit. $179 for the impact wrench. So that might be the high torque impact wrench because I believe this is the mid torque. So yeah, keep that in mind. You got the 18 gauge cordless straight brad nailer. $279. Get that free starter kit. You got the circular saw. This is a 6.5 cordless circular saw. You got the SDS Plus variable speed cordless rotary hammer. The vacuum, guys. The vacuum is available for this deal. It's actually not a bad deal on this one. This is $129, so crazy deal on that one. You got the router. So yeah, $199 for the router. And then you got the bandsaw. This is the 25-inch portable bandsaw. And then let's see what we got the jigsaw. So pretty good deal on that one. I believe that's the last one. Yeah, that's the last one. So I'll leave you guys the links down below in the description section of this video. And don't forget to hit the like, hit the bell, and follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.